Even my dog matches my Barbie cosplay. Look at her little pink bow. She just looks so cute. Hey everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to bring you some Barbie inspired outfits, of course, because the Barbie movie is coming out. Hopefully if I edit this in time, it might already be out because I'm always a little bit behind on editing. But I thought it would be a really fun way to show you not only the makeup look, maybe some wig options. I have two really perfect blonde Barbie wig options that I'm going to show in this video, and a couple of really cool outfits that I'm going to show as well. Some are exact replicas of the Barbie movie and some are just kind of Barbie inspired looks. And what's really fantastic about a Barbie inspired look is that you can either go for like a Barbie cosplay and just match everything to the T, or you can actually genuinely just use Barbie as some fashion inspiration, because these are definitely things that I'm going to incorporate into my own day-to-day wardrobe as well as for cosplay. And of course, everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked below as well, so if you want to pick up any of these pieces for yourself, you can find everything that I share in this video right down below. First, let's go ahead and show the wig options that I'm using for this video. The first one is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is Angelica from the Rene of Paris Noriko line in the color Creamy Blonde. Now, this is a wig style that I have in so many different colors. It's one of my favorite wigs of all time, especially for a long kind of glam look. It comes in so many gorgeous, fun colors. Creamy Blonde is also just one of my favorite wig colors of all time. It's just such a natural looking blonde, and it also is just so perfect for a Barbie look. Like when I first put this on, I feel like I screamed because it was just so fun and cute and adorable and glamorous, and it just makes me want to wear all pink. I literally got my nails done Barbie pink for the Barbie movie, of course. The other wig that I'm going to use for some of these looks is Levy from the Amore collection. This is a really natural looking wig. This one has a fully monofilament wig cap. And what that gives you is a really natural looking hairline on top. So if you move the part around, you have the effect of your own scalp peeking through, and you also have a lot of flexibility with where you part it and still have it look natural. The reason I chose this wig for my other Barbie look is because I feel like it's just such a retro vintage kind of hairstyle. It is so charming and adorable. It just has like the cutest little curls at the bottom, the cutest waves. It's gonna look so cute with some of these Barbie accessories that I have. And also this color is a really, really fantastic Barbie blonde color as well. It is Seashell Blonde R. This is Levy from the Amore collection in Seashell Blonde R. And it is a very similar light platinum blonde. I can't tell, like the base is almost exactly the same color as Creamy Blonde. Like almost exactly. Like I cannot tell a difference to my eyes. Maybe it has a little bit of difference in the shade variation, but the root, it just has a really slight kind of light brown root to it. But I also thought these bangs would be so cute for a Barbie look as well, because in some of the Barbie movie scenes, she has these cute little bangs. And oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to try this with some of my Barbie accessories. So now let's go ahead and jump into the outfits. If you want to see how I did the makeup, I also filmed a whole tutorial that's going to be up on the Rene of Paris channel. I went into more detail about the wigs and the makeup over in that video. So if you want to check that out, you can go over to the Rene of Paris channel. For the first Barbie look, I decided to go with a beach Barbie look, and I thought this pink crochet dress would just look so cute for that. I was spending so many days trying to find the perfect pink gingham dress that looked like the one in the movie, because I knew I wanted to kind of match that look where she has the sun hat and the really pretty pink gingham dress, but I couldn't find anything in time because I wanted to film this before the movie came out. But I found this really gorgeous crochet dress online as well, and I think that was just so cute for a Barbie look. I will link that below. And then to pair it with that, Barbie I feel like always has matching accessories, so I decided to get this cute little sun hat and a matching purse. When I saw the matching purse, I knew I had to get it because it was just so freaking stinking cute and they were pretty cheap, so I just got it as a pair. And I'm also going to the DR literally tomorrow. It is like 11, it's midnight. It is midnight and I'm supposed to leave in like 6 hours, and here I am filming this because I want to get it filmed in time. But yes, I also figured I could bring it to my DR trip because there is a pink party at this resort I'm staying at with my friends, so at least we have the Barbie look and the Barbie nails for the pink party as well in the DR. I also used these pink pointed sunglasses for this look as well because I feel like she has these exact ones in the movie. I have a humongous sunglasses collection, and I really didn't want to have to buy yet another pair of sunglasses for this look, but I literally change my sunglasses as much as I change my wigs, which if you know me, it's a lot. I also have these absolutely adorable pink pumps. I feel like I'm not going to show them on because I feel like they don't look as cute on as they do but the shoe is just so freaking cute. It's just like a perfect plastic Barbie shoe. The sun hat also just looked so stinking cute with both Levy and with Angelica, so I feel like either wig just works so perfectly for this look. Next up, I tried to get a replica or a cosplay of the Barbie movie cowboy outfit. It's a pretty good replica. Unfortunately, they only had a large available, and some people in the comments said it ran small, so I thought it might fit me, and it almost fits me, but I would have to take it in just a little bit, so I probably will be returning this and exchanging it, but I wanted to just show it in the video for now as well. Honestly, if I ever gain the willpower, I would love to make a replica of this outfit because it is so cute, and I would just wear it normally. I wouldn't just wear it for cosplay. I would just wear this normally. But this costume version is a little bit lower quality than I would actually wear for like a day-to-day look. It's good for the costume if you don't care about the quality too much, but I wouldn't really recommend it to wear, but I feel like who would do that but me? I also thought the white cowboy hat looked so cute with Angelica, especially because in the movie Margot Robbie kind of has the long, gorgeous blonde locks, and they're kind of middle parted as well, and with that cowboy hat it just really brings the whole outfit together. Just pretend the outfit fits me properly, okay? Next up, I got two different Barbie vintage dresses. Let me know which of these two dresses you think works better for a Barbie look. I thought they were both super adorable. One is more of a kind of derby, like Barbie at the Derby. Is that a thing? Is that what it's called when they go and watch horses? I'm also vegan, so I wouldn't watch horse racing probably, but like the going to the Derby is like a concept that I feel like you hear in fashion. I think this little hat is called the Derby hat. I don't really know what I'm talking about. I just thought this vintage kind of 50s dress looked so adorable in this pastel pink with a Barbie look, especially with the Angelica wig again in the half up, half down ponytail and a bow on top. I thought that was just such a cute pairing. And then of course the Derby hat just matched the color of the dress perfectly, so I thought that was a really great accessory as well. And then for the other vintage kind of inspired dress, it's kind of a darker hot pink with polka dots. It actually reminds me a lot of Minnie Mouse, so it's kind of like Minnie Mouse meets Barbie. This with the petticoat underneath looked so adorable. A little bit more of a pinup style dress, I would say, whereas the other one is more vintagey classic look. So they're kind of both a very different vibe, but I thought they both looked really cute for the Barbie look as well. And for the final Barbie outfit, I have two different kind of 80s themed Barbie looks. In the movie, of course, she's wearing it for a roller skate scene where she has that kind of tie-dye bathing suit over top pink leggings, shorts, and then she has the matching visor that matches the bathing suit. It's so cute. I really want to do a shoot with my roller skates. I'm not wearing them in this video because it was too hard to wear them in my studio without falling over, but I do want to get some shots with my roller skates as well. And I also really wanted to spray paint some elbow pads and knee pads, but I haven't gotten a chance to yet. But here is what it looks like without all that. I actually ended up finding the exact replica of her bathing suit and hat from the movie, so this one is more of a cosplay look. I thought this looked so cute together, especially with Angelica in a half up, half down ponytail. It did also look super cute with the Levy wig as well, if you do want to go for more of a shorter Barbie look, especially with that kind of retro looking hairstyle that Levy has. And for an alternative look as well, before I found the cosplay pieces, here's just a kind of general 80s workout style outfit with a blue leotard instead. It's a misconception that Barbie only wears pink. Sometimes she actually does wear a lot of sky blue and lots of other colors. She is a fashionista with every... My dog is just coughing down here, so if you hear gross noises, I swear it's not me. Barbie is a fashionista that wears every color and has worked every job, so she doesn't just have to wear pink, she can wear blue as well. But honestly, these little like wristbands and like the sweatbands that she wears, it is just so cute. This is more of like a workout Barbie look, whereas the other one is more of like a roller skate Barbie look. So she can still have both of these looks in her wardrobe. Again, everything is linked below if you're interested in any of these sets. And that brings me to the end of this Barbie themed outfit video. Let me know in the comments below which of these outfits you thought was best for a Barbie look, if you think you're going to take inspiration from any of these looks, and again, everything I mentioned is linked below. Also, let me know which of the two wigs that I showed in this video you liked better for a Barbie look. Honestly, I feel like this Barbie look made me fall in love with this wig that I'm wearing right now, the Levy wig. I feel like I didn't wear this much recently, but now that I kind of have it associated in my brain with a Barbie look, I think I just became obsessed with it. So yes, Levy is a super cute style, and Angelica is a longtime favorite. So both of these, chef's kiss for a Barbie look. Again, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, I was really trying to go for a Margot look. I was trying to copy her like facial features with the contouring and the brows, but I feel like whenever I do a different makeup look, it always just kind of fuses back into my day-to-day look. So I feel like it does look nice, but I feel like it could have been a little more Margot. But if you want to watch the whole tutorial, you can watch it over on the Renee of Paris YouTube channel, which is the wig company that I work with, that also both of these wigs are from. And I also go more in depth about the wigs over there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on all my other social media pages. TikTok, I just hit 105,000 followers, 105,000 followers on TikTok, so go follow me over there. Thank you all so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye!